In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display code in Microsoft PowerPoint or Word in 2024. If you often find yourself needing to share snippets of code in presentations or documents, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're preparing a technical presentation or writing a report, clear and concise code displays can make a significant difference in how your audience comprehends the material. To get started, let's first open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's up and running, navigate to the presentation you're working on. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and create a new presentation. Now, within the PowerPoint interface, head to the Home tab. This is your gateway to accessing a variety of tools and settings that will help us along the way. Next, we need to click on the Add-ins option. Add-ins are additional programs that integrate with PowerPoint to enhance its functionality. In the search bar within the Add-ins section, type in Build. This particular add-in will assist in seamlessly incorporating code into your slides. After locating the Build add-in, simply click Add to install it. This step is crucial as it allows us to integrate code snippets in a more visual and engaging manner. Once you've added the Build add-in, return to your list of add-ins and run it. As we proceed, give it a moment to load fully. Patience is key here, as this ensures that everything is set up correctly for the upcoming steps. After it's done loading, you will notice that the add-in is now ready to be used for displaying your code. Shifting gears slightly, let's focus on getting your code into the slide itself. Go to the Insert tab. This is where you can find options to embed various elements like images, screenshots, and even videos into your presentation. Within this tab, navigate to the Images section. Here, you will find a feature called Screenshot. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, choose the Screen Clipping option. This is an incredibly useful tool for capturing specific areas of your screen. With this feature activated, immediately switch back to PowerPoint and take a screenshot of the code you want to display. This is a quick way to encapsulate the precise parts of your code you wish to highlight. Finally, paste the screenshot directly onto your slide. You can adjust the size and position to fit the flow of your presentation. And there you have it, a neat, organized display of your code within PowerPoint. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively incorporate code into your presentations or documents, making your technical content more digestible and visually appealing. Thanks for sticking around, and I'm hopeful that this will bring your projects to a new level of professionalism.